This is an itel 32-inch TV. The model number is S322. And today I'm going to show you how to use the iCast feature. iCast enables you to screen project whatever is on your smartphone directly onto the TV, although this is not a smart TV. This is just a digital TV. So this is how you use the iCast feature. But first you need to open the iCast feature, and there are two methods. You can press the source button on the remote control and scroll all the way down to iCast over here. The second method, which is the fastest, is to press the cast button on the remote control directly, like that. And on the screen, you can see how to cast your device's screen onto the TV. Number 1, start cast function from the phone settings. Number 2, search for iCast TV in the cast function. And number 3, pair and the screen of your device will be casted on the TV screen. Now take your smartphone and make sure that Wi-Fi is turned to on. Even though you don't need to be connected to any Wi-Fi connection, this connection will still work. Now select cast and go to settings over here. Make sure that enable wireless display is ticked. And at the top over here, you can see wireless display. And you can see that this iCast address is exactly the same as that iCast address over here. Just tap on it and it will start connecting. It's connecting. And over here you can see whatever is on my smartphone is exactly on the TV, even though this is not a smart TV. Now you can project whatever media files you have. I'm just going to open the VLC media player application over here. I can play music. I can even cast video files. And the cool thing with the VLC media player application is that I can minimize the VLC player application while the video continues to be watched over here. The iCast feature will work across multiple applications. For example, this is Mixcloud over here. And I can play my music on my phone, but the sound will actually come from the TV. Now you will notice that this is exactly the same tutorial that I did a while back on the Cynix 32-inch TV. That is because itel and Cynix come from the same parent company, which is Transion. That's it. Thank you for watching. My name is Dominic. Let's meet on the next video, and goodbye.